Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're planning to launch a new website, whether it's for your business, blog, portfolio, or online store, everything starts with two key things: a domain name and web hosting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to buy a domain and hosting package using Coolhost, one of South Africa's most affordable and reliable hosting providers. We'll be using Coolhost's customer portal, my.coolhost.co.za, which makes the process simple even if you're not super technical. Customers are automatically directed here after choosing a package from our shop front. So, let's jump in and get you online. Alright, let's start by heading over to mycoolhost.co.za. This is the official client portal where you'll register your domain, choose your hosting package and manage your account. If you already have a Coolhost account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll just need to click on register and fill in a few quick details to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the client area dashboard. This is your home base for managing all your services. Next up, let's get your domain name. Click on the top menu where it says Domains. Then choose Register a new domain. Here, you can type in the domain name you'd like to use, for example, something like mybusiness.co.za or coolbrand.africa. Make sure your domain name is short, memorable, and reflects your brand or purpose. Once you click Search, the system will check if it's available. If it is, awesome. Click Add to Cart and continue. If not, it'll suggest other available options or different extensions like .com or .africa. Now that you've got your domain sorted, let's add your web hosting package. Go to the top menu again and click on Services. Then choose Order New Services. Coolhost has a variety of hosting options to suit every type of user, from small startups to growing e-commerce sites. For this example, I'll go with the starter web hosting plan. It includes all the essentials like email, cPanel access, and good storage to get started. Now you'll be asked how you want to link this hosting package. Select Use a domain already in my cart. That's the one we just registered. Next, it's time to configure your hosting. Here, you can select your billing cycle, monthly or yearly, and choose any optional add-ons like backups or advanced spam filtering. You'll also see name server settings here. If you're planning to use Coolhost's default name servers, just leave them as they are. If you're pointing the domain to another service, you can change these later in the client area. So, let's quickly review the cart before we check out. Make sure your domain name is spelled correctly and that your hosting package and billing cycle are exactly what you selected. If you have a promo code, enter it now for a discount. When you're ready, click Checkout and fill in your billing information. All our payments are handled by PayFast, a reputable and secure payment gateway. This way, none of your sensitive information is stored on our site. Okay, after payment, you'll receive an email confirming your order. Your services will then be activated shortly after, usually within minutes. To check on your services, go to the client area, then click on Services, My Services. You'll see your hosting listed there, and from that screen, you can click through to access cPanel, the dashboard that controls everything behind your website. Here you can manage your website files, create email accounts, set up databases, install WordPress, and much more. Now that your hosting is live, here are a few tips for what to do next. Set up your email, like hello@yourdomain.co.za, right from cPanel. Install WordPress with just one click using the soft Oculus installer. Start uploading your site files if you're coding from scratch, or connect a website builder or CMS if you're using one. And don't worry. If you get stuck, Coolhost has a great knowledge base and a support team ready to help. And that's it. You now know how to buy and set up a domain and hosting account through Coolhost. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web and hosting tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. And remember, every great website starts with a domain, so go ahead and get yours now at Coolhost. Thanks for watching, Wadao, and welcome to the Coolhost family.